Hello. What's up, guys? It's Clinton Malope again here. So today I just don't have a script. I just wanted to talk to you guys about something that I've realized that a lot of you guys don't realize. Why is it that you are not winning in Forex? What is it that you are not winning in Nasdaq? I just want to explain a little bit about things that I've realized, I've come to see how to become consistent when it comes to making money. Guys, it's very simple. Let me get this straight. It's very simple. All you need is few things. Stay with me up until the end of the video. You will see that these things are just minor things. There are things that you already knew, but you just don't know how to use them. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about this thing. And yeah, guys, let's talk about it. Yeah, stay up until the end of the video so that you get everything. And if you have a pen and a paper, just jot them down, write them down, and they will help you out, and you will see. Yes. Okay, let's talk about the first thing that I've realized. The first thing that I've realized is that you are too obsessed. You are too obsessed, guys. You need to relax. Sit back and relax. What do I mean when I say relax? This is money, right? We all know that you've invested money in this thing. Surely, you know very well that if you are too obsessed, you will become committed into something that you don't have control over. So if you become obsessed, committed to money that you don't have control over, you will have a problem because now you will be emotionally attached to that money. So you must remove yourself from that particular account. Let's say you funded your account with $100, right? Make sure that that $100 you are not too obsessed with it. You just treat it as a separate part of your life. Don't take it as if it's everything to you. No. Treat it as if it's something that might go and might not go well. So yeah, you must reattach yourself from that particular account. So okay, that was the first thing. The second thing is actually similar to this one. You need to be emotionally unavailable. What do I mean by that? Guys, if you are facing your screen, when you are facing your screen, you will be emotionally attached because you can see the moves that are moving against you. Remember, let me tell you something. You might be in a particular trade, and that trade, you find that you've got it correct. Your account can even stand the opposite direction, and it can come back to your direction. Your account can survive that. So you find that you are in front of the screen now. It's happening that the market is going against you for now. You find that the trend, you've seen it, okay, it's fine. You've seen it, it will go up in your direction. But now it's going down, it's retracing. You are already in the trade. What are you doing? You're watching the screen. You are forgetting everything that you've said you're going to follow, like your rules, your system, and everything. You are forgetting everything. What are you doing now? You are being attached to that move, that down retracement. You are being attached to it, and you know that you are losing money. So you find that your account could have been hit for like 20% or 30%. Now you are losing the whole of 100% because now you will close that trade. When you close that trade, you think the market wants to go back downwards. Now you enter with a sale. Now the market is shooting up to direction. Now you are out. You see, you've lost 100% of your capital because you couldn't handle the retracement of 20% of your account. Now you see, so you need to be emotionally detached. So how do you do that? It's either you can do this in many ways. You can move away from the screen, go out, do something else, or you can just switch and analyze other pairs. Don't focus on that one. You can even remove it on the screen. Remove it. Just click it. Remove it, and then focus on other pairs. Analyze other pairs and stuff. You can do that in many ways. But the main fact is that reattach yourself from the trades. Now, the third thing that I've seen that a lot of people are doing, and it's a mistake, people are changing strategies every time. You are one of them. So you are changing strategies every time. Guys, that is a recipe for disaster. If you want to lose your money every year in and out, you change strategies every time. You will see that will happen. Now you must stick to one strategy. This will help you in a sense that you will remember, guys. Just imagine if you know that when you get to high school or secondary school, you get to choose some subjects and you study them for until you finish your matric or grade 12 or you finish your standard 10, right? Now, this is what happens. What do you think could have happened if you failed the first time and you changed to another subject? you failed change. You wouldn't have finished your grade 12 or your matric or your standard 10, because now you are changing everything. Even in varsity, it works like that. You're changing modules, you're changing courses every time. You won't finish. So just like in forex, don't change strategies. Stick to one strategy, dwell into it, master it, and become a master in that strategy. That's how you win in the overall market, you know. So don't change strategies. Let me give you a tip. One of the best ways to not change strategies: do not focus on the analysis of other people's, especially on Instagram. You guys are too obsessed with this thing of Instagram. Now you are watching this guy just because this guy is used to making money. You think now every analysis is done or is doing is correct. That's a problem. That is an issue. Get away from that mentality. Even those big traders, they lose each and every day, and then they lose. They won't tell you. They won't even post those kind of things, but they lose. So just imagine on your last account, you think he's got the analysis right, you follow him, you blow your account. He will survive because there's a lot of money. Even have multiple businesses out there. He even has students. So he has this so many types of source of income. So he can sustain his losses. But you, it's your last $100, your last $50, your last $250 or $500, $1,000. It's your last. It's your last. So don't be trapped in that mentality, you know. So guys, I just wanted to make sure that I open your eyes. I open your eyes so that you can get into becoming a consistent forex trader. Let me continue with the tips. I'm not done. Let me continue with the tips. These tips, they work on Nasdaq. They work on NAS 100. These tips. Now, listen. When it comes to Nasdaq, let's say you have got a savings of 10,000, right? You've got 10,000. I won't use rands. I won't use US dollar. I won't use any unit. I won't use any currency. I will just use 10,000. So you've got 10,000 saved in your account. I mean, in your bank account, right? Now you want to trade Nasdaq, right? Now you've done your analysis for the day, right? You take only 1,000 rand or units or US dollar. You take only 1,000. You put it in your account. But 1,000 US dollar is too much. $1,000 is too much. So I would say when it comes to US dollars, you can take $100. Put it in your account. Once it's in your account, you know for the day you are only using that 1,000 rand or 100 US dollars. So you analyze your market very well. Now you take your trades with that $100 or 1,000 rand. Now you are done for the day. Whether you made profit or not, you are done for the day. Develop your systemic discipline, you know. So you are done for the day. Tomorrow you do the same thing. You fund another account with 1,000 rand or $100, right? Now you do your analysis for the day. You place some trades. Now you make money or lose some. We don't care. All we care about is that you are following a system. I'm telling you, you are standing a great chance to win if you are following these kind of disciplinary rules. So that's all you need, guys, in Nasdaq. You need to have disciplinary rules. Create your own rules. So the day after, you do the same thing. You do the same thing. But just avoid having one account and saying, I want to focus on this account in Nasdaq. Let's say maybe you take the whole of $1,000. You put it in your heart. You put it in your account. Let's say maybe you take that whole 10,000 rand, you put in your account, and you're saying, now I'm taking Nasdaq. You go in and place. You know what will happen? You will take Nasdaq with that 10,000 rand, and you will place trades that are worth 10,000 rand. Right? That's how you lose the account. But with 1,000 rand, even if you were to place trades that are worth 1,000 rand, but you still have 9,000 rand saved in your bank account. With US dollars, you take only $100, you still have 900 US dollars in your bank account. So you see, you still have a chance to bring back the money and make more money. So that's how it works, guys. With Nasdaq, you need to have a mindset saying that I know Nasdaq is dangerous. I know Nasdaq is very profitable and also very risky. So I'm gonna risk an account that I'm willing to lose, which is 1,000 rand out of 10,000, which is $100 out of 1,000 US dollars. So that's how it works, guys. Make sure that you use these tips, and I hope they help you guys. I know this thing works. It has worked for me. It has worked for my students. It is working for other people out there. Use it. It will work for you. Thank you very much, guys. I hope that you have watched my previous video that I posted today. So I hope you have watched my previous video where I talked about the videos that I'll be uploading from the 1st of November. So those videos, so they will help you to become a profitable and a consistent Forex trader. It doesn't matter currency pairs, it doesn't matter NASDAQ, it doesn't matter DEX, it doesn't matter whatever that you are trading. I'll be talking about it, and I'll be giving you the information that you guys need. You know, guys, I'm all about the T's and the C's, and I post things that are really relevant to the current market. So let's trade, guys. Let's make some money. Cheers. We'll talk soon. Cheers. Take care.